So guys, in case you didn't know, I got a new fidget spinner. This is my old one. And on my brother's channel, he is posting a video actually right now. There he is right now. We both got new fidget spinners. So this is my old one, and this is the one I got. They only had solid purple, solid pink, and there's a solid pink one right there. They had solid purple, solid pink, and then a pink one with a unicorn on it. And this is my fidget spinner. So I'm going to do the paranormal fidget spinner warping glitch thing. I don't think it's going to do it. No, it did. It just did it weirdly. I'm going to do it right. Then pork sausage brings complexity to the dish, while its fat renders to permeate the vegetable. It adds a saltiness and a smoked pork flavor. Once the savory stock is ready, he strains out the solids and adds it to the rest of the bog. Hot sauce and a spice mix give it a little kick, and everything is brought to a rapid boil. Now we're going to add the chicken that we roasted off earlier. The final ingredient is long grain rice. Then cover, turn off the flame. So guys, that's what it is. And yeah. Alright, wait, let me show you the pink one up. There's the pink one. My sister's one. What? Yeah, my sister's and then my brother's. So, yep, there you have it, guys. Oh, here's the box the pink one came in. And that's the box the purple one came in. So guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and peace.